you are probably one of the luckiest people on earth right now for watching this video, because I have a gist for you. Not gonna lie, a great gist. I don't know. I think let me take you through the main video for today. Then I give you the gist at the end of the video. I hope that's fine, right? Okay, so let's actually jump into the main video, which is like the update on my Profem Challenge account that I've been on. You know, the 15K Profem Challenge account I'm currently on. So let's just go into that video. After that, I give you the gist. That's fine, right? Let's go. All right. So guys, we are no more in a drawdown right now. We are actually at break even. I mean, we had a little bit of profit. That's $17.75. That's what we have right now, and that means we are actually making a progress. We're having a drawdown last week of $25, but today we are no more in a drawdown. That is a good news for us on this Profem. Now, if you don't know, this is me documenting my journey on this 15K one-step challenge Profem from 4Traders. Now, 4Traders is a company that I'm actually trading with. It's a Profem company that I'm actually trading with right now to see how best all is going to go at the end of the day. And my profit target is 9%. Then my maximum drawdown is 6%. Then daily drawdown of 3%, right? And I have a minimum of 3 trading days over there. So yeah, guys, let me show you the trade that I actually took that actually brought me to leave that drawdown side and come make a profit of $17.75. So quickly, let me just jump into a trading view right here. So this is on a 4-hour time frame. The trade that I actually took was from here. I believe you can see it's from the down here. I think I'm going to get a screenshot for you and put it on the screen as well. So yeah, the trade was from here. Now let me break it down quick. If you look at what is happening over here, you probably see the move over here. Then price is just doing this stuff over here. All right, it's moving up, right? So generally I was expecting bullish move already. The next thing that I did was to wait for price to come all the way down to this level. I expected price to come down here before I enter a buy again. So price actually came, and at the closure of this particular candle right here, this particular bearish candle body over here, once it closed, I entered a trade right here, and that trade went all the way straight into profit. You can see it. So my entry was just at the bottom over here. Let me see if I can get it for you, right? Exactly. And my stop loss was here. That's 150 pips, and that one I'm okay with it. So yes, price actually moved this way. All right, it moved that way, and it was crazy. It was crazy. That's what actually made me to get back on my feet. I mean, I went from drawdown to profit. This was a trade that I took. So yeah, that's what actually happened on Thursday, and that's how come I was able to get away from the drawdown. Trading doesn't have to be complicated. Actually, you only need to understand the market structure and follow the market structure whenever you are trading, because the market structure is the basic thing that we need to know, and that is what actually controls the market. You react to whatever the market is printing out. That's the structure. You react to it, and you're going to make money in the long run. If you want a Profem to actually trade and also follow me on this journey, I mean, check the video description. There's going to be a link in the video description that's going to allow you to also trade this particular Profem. And I'm trading a one-step challenge over here, meaning once I'm able to make the 9% profit target, that means I'm going straight to the funded. I'm in the funded stage, right? That's basically it. And if you use the link in the video description right now, you are going to get 15% discount on any challenge at all you want to purchase. All right, so here's the gist I promise you. If you are watching this video before the 3rd of November, which is just Monday, then this is absolutely for you. And if you are a Forex trader, then you definitely want to listen to this carefully. I mean, yeah. So on the 3rd of November, there's going to be a trading tournament, and the registration for this trading tournament is absolutely free, guys. It's absolutely free. And what is in for this trading tournament. In this trading tournament, you'll be given 100k Pro-Firm challenge account to trade during the the tournament, and there is no daily drawdown. All you have there is maximum drawdown, and this challenge is going to last for, the tournament is going to last for only 7 days. That's 1 week. So if you are seeing this right now, you definitely want to participate in it. Now you might be asking, if somebody happened to win, what is the prize? Now the first person will be given 25k Pro-Firm challenge account to trade with for free. The second position, you also get 15k Pro-Firm challenge account to trade with, and the third position will be given 6k Pro-Firm challenge account to trade with. So yeah, you definitely want to check that out. I'm going to put a screenshot on the screens for you to see exactly what I'm referring to, the prices that are there. All right, yeah, so that is it. All you want to do right now is to go into the video description right now. You're going to see my Telegram channel link over there. It's absolutely free to join. So click on that Telegram channel link over there and join the channel. Once you join the channel, you are going to see the pinned, pinned post in the channel. Just tap on that pinned post and you're going to see the instructions to follow to join this trading tournament. It's absolutely free, guys. Go take advantage of this. Kindly hit the like button on this video and also subscribe for more, videos that are coming your way in a subsequent uploads. Right, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bless up.